mountain biking. First landing. Here's my buddy. He's getting ready.
Found my helmet.
Yeah. Here's the bike. But I'm still trying to hook this up. Now, right. We're ready to roll. We're going to the trail. You got a bag, helmet. Now, we are ready. Everything is set. Bike at the back. Big Bubba's going and ready with his water.
Sure.
You got helmets. Where's the pump? We need a pump. Yes, we need a tire pump. I think it's in the shed. I think it's open still right here, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Good thing we turn this camera on, or we'll be in trouble.
Oh yeah, we don't have the pump back here.
All right, you got it?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for this camera.
Alright, we just went to 7-Eleven to get water. Say hello.
Yeah, we need some protein bar, cookie, and some bananas.
Banana.
And cold water. 7-Eleven is the spot, buddy. We're on the way to the trail.
Oh yeah.
It's hot day, 82 degrees. Boys ready? I think I'm ready. Let's do this.
Oh! Oh, God. Is that you?
Huwag kang magpakaibang, dapat ay itawa lang. Ang problema sa babae dapat dininda. We're almost there to finish it for one way, but we still have to going back for another 6.2 miles. We got this covered, right, Baba?
Yeah.
You look like you're tired. You're not tired?
I'm not tired. Well, thirsty.
Drink your water. Drink your water. Thank you, guys. Thank you. He's like he's dating or something.
Run him over. Run him over. Fuck him.
All right, let's go. We are on the way back. We are going to hit this long trail all the way down there. You ready, buddy?
Oh yeah.
I'm ready. Let's go.
We
We are finally back to the car.
Oh yeah, Kool-Aid Man. But the Kool-Aid Man says, oh yeah. Alright, if
Nice ride.
If you excuse me, I'm about to pass out.
Uh-oh.
When I'm about to
Yeah,
pass out, I'm going to take a nap.
He's tired. So, I guess that's all the journey of riding a trail. It was awesome.
Yep. And
Was
we're gonna say bye-bye until the next video.
awesome.